Hey everybody, so I got a new pocket knife from CJRB, and they make some really good knives. So here is the knife. It's got a little belt clip on there, and this is designed where you can open it up with one hand. And if it doesn't go all the way, just give it a little flick. Now, the lock on it is up here at the top, and you just pull it backwards and bring it down. So the lock is a little different than some of the others. All right, I wanted to give you a close-up of this guy here. So you can see where they have their name etched there on the blade. You got your belt clip here. You can see where it's got the little part that you can just pull down to open it. And there you go. You can open it up with one hand. And like I showed, if you don't get it all the way on the first one, let's say you only get it like there, just give it a little flick. And that's all you got to do. Take a look at the blade. It's shaped a little bit differently there. It feels super, super sharp. All right, so let's do the paper test. Oh, wow, that is very, very sharp. And just because we know that tomatoes usually take a nice sharp knife to get it cut, especially these little guys. Let's see how thin I can go. So I mean, yeah, that is really sharp. If you're looking for a really nice pocket knife that has a really nice edge, you can't go wrong with this brand. They make really good knives.